I don't trust that government, just like every other government. And I think Bukele had a tweet like a year or so ago that was basically to that effect, like trust no government, even mine. And I fully expect, like we've seen a little bit, we don't know what's going on with their IMF deal and all this stuff, but I fully expect the government will rug everyone there at some point. And hopefully it's not in a massive, violent confiscation of Bitcoin. Hopefully it's just moving the goalposts on their policy stuff. But what the community is doing is super bullish. And I would love it if people started to look at those two things separately, because no matter what government it is, we can't trust these people. These are groups of people who've basically set themselves up to confiscate our resources. And that's very much the opposite of what Bitcoin is.
Today's Bullish Bit was brought to you by Bitcoin Well. I love how they make buying Bitcoin simple while keeping self-custody a priority. You can sign up today by scanning the QR code on the screen or clicking the link in the show notes.